Are side planks like this too hard for you? Well, guess what? I've got a couple different variations that you can use to work up to the side plank, all right? And this is a really important movement because when we do the side plank, we strengthen the obliques, the sides of our body. And those muscles are there to prevent your spine from moving from side to side or rotating. So really what they're there for is protecting your back. And if you don't strengthen your obliques or your deep core muscles, well, guess what? You're gonna have a fragile back. So this is a fantastic movement, but a lot of people can't do this and they do it wrong and they end up hurting themselves. So instead, start with this beginner variation. You're gonna need a nice sturdy chair. You can have the side of a chair, the back of a chair, whatever's, just below hip, just above knee, somewhere in this range right here. What you're gonna do is put your hand on that surface and immediately I want you to grip the surface with your hands. Now, if this tends to cause pain on your wrist, what you can do is come to the edge of the chair like this, and that's gonna help your wrist be more neutral, meaning more down pointed like this rather than flat, because that's gonna put a lot of pressure on your wrist. So from there, I want you to come into that side plank position. You're gonna put that bottom foot there, then the top foot right here. You're gonna think tall to the top of your head. You're gonna try to make yourself one straight line. So between your ankles, knees, hips, chest, and all the way through the top of your head is one straight line. Then the other hand goes on the hip like this, and you're gonna hold this side plank position. Now what you should be feeling here is the obliques down here, the muscles of the side of the core working. Now if you don't feel this working, I'm gonna show you a simple point that you can do. I want you to take your arm and I want you to turn your elbow pit up like this. See that little rotation? Turn the elbow pit up like that, and then imagine you're trying to drag your hand towards your leg, okay? So you're not gonna actually move it. You're just gonna create tension, pushing your hand into the surface, imagining you're trying to drag it towards your body. When you do this, you're gonna fire your lats significantly harder and all the muscles down the chain significantly harder, which is gonna make this significantly better for you and make you stronger a lot faster. So again, side plank position, grip the ground, find your nice solid stance, hand on the hip. Now turn that elbow pit up, drive the hand into that surface, hold, and oh my God, my obliques, my lats, they're going crazy right now. You can hold this for 30 to 60 seconds and then move to the other side. Now, if you're able to hold this for 60 seconds and you're able to do it while creating tension right there, then all you have to do is lower the surface. So what does this look like, right? I was just up here. Now all I have to do is do the side plank on a slightly lower surface. This might be the bottom of a couch or an ottoman or something like that. You can just put your hands on that surface, find your side plank again, put your hands on there, drag that hand towards your side, and you're gonna start building that tension in your core. Again, working towards holding it for at least 30 and a max of 60 seconds. If you can do that for 60 seconds, then you're gonna work your way down to being able to do the side plank on the ground, and you'll have nice, strong obliques that are gonna protect your back and make you stronger and safer as you go about your daily life. So, give these movements a shot, work your way up to the side plank, strengthen your core, and your body's gonna feel amazing and love you for it. Hey, real quick, our goal at WeShape is to give you the right movement for your body. You see so many workout companies give you thousands of workouts that weren't created for you. But our goal is to give you the one workout that actually was created for you. The right variations of the right movements and a gradual progression plan to slowly get stronger, have better coordination, have better balance, and improve your flexibility, because when you do those things, what happens? You feel amazing in your body again. So if you like this simple progression that we just did on the side plank, then you're gonna love the workouts that we create. All you have to do is click the link, take our free quiz, and we'll build you a free follow-along workout that's personalized to you, where every movement is selected just for you. So stop doing the 1,000 workouts that weren't created for you and start doing the one that was, okay? I'll see you there.